So welcome or welcome back to Betide, and this is a very small video, like 1 or 2 minutes long. Just to thank you all, we crossed 2000 mark and moving on to the next one. But yeah, the EOS integration kit is now open sourced, so you can just go and get your hands dirty with it. Just to be clear, this version of the EOS integration kit, as I made an announcement on Discord, also is a month old, and so a month of more work was put into it. But that version will come out in a week because it still requires a lot of bug testing and things like that. But that will eventually come out. That's version 1.1, which will have auto scaling servers, epic purchases, login with Google Discord, and a lot of different new features. But this version itself is very strong. This is 5.0 version, and 5.1 will be uploaded very soon. Like till the time you see this video, it would be already up. And as the plugin is open sourced, you can go and start the project if you can. But yeah, and we have a very detailed documentation that I have been working on. I will be adding documentation for everything, uh, and everything will be video documented within a week. So you can expect videos on how to project setup, how videos on how to like use the modified US subsystem, how to create lobbies, find lobbies, how you can create good lobbies, how is it set up, what is the C++ code explanation, why we did certain things, and things like that. We have even given the C++ code for something, and we would be giving for all the different classes if you just want to set it up yourself. But we even have the playfab setup, and you can just follow these things, and I think it would be good. Discord is open. Anytime you get any problem with the plugin, you can come and report that to us. And the marketplace version will be coming up with update 1.1, with all the updated files, and so it's a more than a week or two away. And consider becoming a Patreon if you can, but again, not a compulsion. Enjoy the project, and thanks a lot once again. Thank you.